So today we're going to talk about a funny word that some of you have probably wondered what it means if you see it in print, and it certainly can confound your spell check on the computer. And that is per Stirpes. So it's actually two words, and how you spell that is P-E-R, then a space, S-T-I-R-P-E-S. Your computer, if you type it, is probably going to want to call it per stripes, but that's not it. It's per Stirpes. And so if you see this in a document, it's talking about how it is we would distribute property if someone else named in the document passes away. So for example, if you have a last will and testament and it says everything is going to your two children, Tom and Susie, equally, but what happens if one of those children passes away? So it probably is going to say if Tom or Susie passes away and they're survived by children, then it's going to go to those children per Stirpes. So Tom or Susie's part of your estate will go to their children per Stirpes and not per capita. So if Tom has 3 children and Susie only has 2, what that means is Tom's 1/2 would be divided 3 ways. So each of his children would receive a sixth if he predeceases, you, the person who's writing the will. But if Susie predeceases and she only has 2 kids, her share, her 1/2, is going to be divided 2 ways because she has 2 children. So the literal translation of per Stirpes is through the root, and I think by that example you can kind of see how that really is appropriate in terms of how it's used, because we divide at the child level and it goes down through those roots, those generations, to your grandchildren based on the share that your child would inherit. So per Stirpes is a funny sounding word, but it has a lot of impact when we see it in a document, and that's what it means.